रेज योर हैंड्स, आप हाथ खड़ा करोगे देन आई विल आस्क यू, राइट? सो हूएवर हैंड्स रेज द फर्स्ट देन आई विल आस्क. हम कब मिले? हाँ सुमन, व्हेन डू वी मीट? ओके. और वो उसका क्या? कैफ. हाँ वेरी गुड. वंस अगेन, what about him, or you can say how about him when you are asking about third person. Fine. Okay. रविवार कैसा रहेगा? how about Sunday? Very good. Louder. how about Sunday? प्रशांत, रविवार कैसा रहेगा? how about Sunday? बुरा मत मानिएगा. हाँ, प्लीज डोंट माइंड और डोंट माइंड, प्लीज डोंट माइंड. रिक्वेस्ट लगा दिया, प्लीज डोंट माइंड. अनदर वर्ड साधना, अनदर वर्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ डोंट माइंड. हाँ, प्लीज डोंट फील ऑफेंसिव. प्लीज डोंट फील ऑफेंसिव. अगर आप बुरा ना माने तो सुमन, इफ यू डोंट माइंड, अगर मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूं, मैं आस्क यू समथिंग. इफ यू डोंट माइंड, मे आई आस्क यू समथिंग. बार बार, अगेन एंड, हाँ, ओवर एंड अगेन, अगेन एंड अगेन, ओवर एंड अगेन, हाँ, ओवर एंड ओवर, राइट? ऑल थ्री वी कैन यूज इट. हर बार, हाँ, हर बार तुम यही गलती करते हो. हाँ, एवरी टाइम यू कमिट सेम मिस्टेक और एवरी टाइम यू मेड सेम मिस्टेक, राइट? एवरी टाइम यू कमिट सेम मिस्टेक. बार बार वो एक ही बात पर अटक जाता है. निकिता, निकिता, वेरी गुड. He gets stuck at one thing only, over and over. Lavi, at one thing only, over and over. Only, over and over, over and over. Very good. पता है क्वेश्चन? पता है? हाँ, you know. आपको पता है क्या हुआ सचिन? Once again, you know what happened. Expressions, you know what happened. ऐसे expressions नहीं आएंगे. हाँ, you know what happened. नहीं, I don't know. Sit down. Good. हमें पता है. हमें पता है. प्रशांत, हमें पता है. Yes, I know. Come on. Yes, I know. Or yeah, I know. Come on. Informal we can say, right? Informally आप आंसर करेंगे. Yeah, I know. Means with your friends, है ना? Among your friends. Next one. नहीं पता क्या हुआ? No, what happened? No, what happened? पहले आपने स्टेटमेंट दिया नो व्हाट हैपन, फिर आपने क्वेश्चन किया. हाँ, गुड. नो व्हाट हैपन, गुड, नाइस. गुड सचिन. नो व्हाट हैपन. ये फोन बार बार बंद हो जाता है. दिस हैपेंस. ओके. एक बिल्ली थी, वो उड़ रही थी. वंस अगेन, देयर वाज अ कैट, शी वाज फ्लाइंग. वंस अगेन, देयर वाज अ कैट, शी वाज फ्लाइंग. मजाक मत कर यार. नो किडिंग हाँ, कम ऑन, नो किडिंग हाँ, हाँ, नो किडिंग हाँ, वंडरफुल, नो किडिंग हाँ, ओके। मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था। Oh, I was just kidding. Come on. Oh, I was just kidding. Expression, Suman.
Oh, I was just kidding. Oh, I was just kidding. Oh, I was just kidding.
I was just kidding. Oh, I was just kidding. क्या तुम मजाक कर रहे हो? हाँ, are you kidding? कैफ? Once again. Expressions नहीं आ रहे. Are you kidding? Good. Sachin? Yes, I am. नहीं, मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ.
No, I am serious about it.
No, I am serious about it. Once again. No, I am serious about it. Actually, a cat was flying. Actually, a cat was. I am serious about it. Or you can say, I mean it. I mean it. There was a sale going on in Zudio. Every t-shirt in 100 rupees. Come on. Are you? No, I mean it. No, I mean it. Right? Every t-shirt in 100 rupees. Every lipstick in 50 rupees. In Zudio. Okay. वैसे मेरा आपको दुख पहुंचाने का कोई इरादा नहीं था. Once again. I didn't mean to hurt you. Once again. Lavi? I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. Wonderful.
I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Calf.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
Hurt you.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
Hurt you. Prashant. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. Do you eat chilies? प्रशांत, हरी मिर्च खाते हो? खाते हो? कितनी खाते हो? Once in a blue moon. कभी कदार ना? और मिठाई ज्यादा खाते हो? बिल्कुल नहीं खाते हो. Only रक्षाबंधन. हाँ? There is a reason behind everything. Okay. आपको चोट तो नहीं लगी? हाँ, come on once again. Did you get hurt? Come on, did you get hurt? Never.
Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt?
Yes.
Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt?
Hmm.
Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt?
Now definitely I got hurt.
Did you get hurt?
But positively. Good. Okay, next one. ईश्वर की दया से वो बच गया. Wonderful. By the grace of God, he was saved. Right? By the grace of God, he was saved. Prashant? Saved. He was saved. He was saved.
By the grace of God, he was saved.
Okay. अरे क्लोज इट. चीटिंग चल रही है यहाँ. वाओ. बैग योर फोन्स एवरीबॉडी. चीटिंग चल रही है यहाँ, देखो. वाह. लवी, वेयर इज योर फोन? इनसाइड. कीप इट इनसाइड. हाँ, गुड. लुकिंग हैंडसम. बस ये लक्ष्मण रेखा है. हाँ, once again. Enough, that's the line. Lakshman, sorry, Prashant. Enough, that's the line. Nikita. Enough, that's the line. Suman. Enough, that's the line. Sadhna. Wonderful. Enough, that's the line. Enough, that's the line. इसके पार मत जाना. No crossing it. Come on once again. No crossing it. Expressions. No crossing it. No crossing it. No crossing it. Good. Giving instructions ना? Instructions दे रहे हैं हम. No crossing it. Next one. उसकी बात पत्थर की लकीर है. Wonderful. His words are the be all and the end all. His words are the be all and the end all. Kaf. His words are the be all and the end all. Prashant. His words be all and the end all. His words. Everybody repeat after me. His words are the be all and the end all. अच्छा, many time it happens we say like वो अपनी बात का पक्का है. वो अपनी बात का पक्का है मतलब जो कहता है वो करता है. लक्ष्मण लिखा है नहीं. There you can say he is a man of his words. Come on, वो अपनी बात का पक्का है. He is a man of his words. Once again. हाँ, अब पूछ रहे कि लड़की हो तो क्या करेंगे ना, है ना सुमन, यही पूछना था ना. हाँ, तो she is a woman of her words. I mean, it is just an example, not to her. She is a woman of her words. Next one. तुम भी ना हद करते हो. प्रशांत, यू आर, ऐसे बोलोगे, यू आर टू मच. हाँ, यू आर टू मच. कम ऑन, यू आर टू मच. यू आर टू मच. यू आर टू मच. यू आर टू मच. ओके. तुम हद पार कर रहे हो. वंडरफुल. यू आर क्रॉसिंग योर लिमिट. यू आर क्रॉसिंग योर लाइन. राइट, यू आर क्रॉसिंग योर लिमिट. मुझे पहले से पता था. I knew it already. Come on once again. I knew it already. Right? Or you can say I had a gut feeling. Come on, I had a gut feeling. I had a gut feeling. Sadhna? I had a gut feeling. Next one is मुझे तो सब सही लग रहा है. मुझे तो सब सही लग रहा है. All positive. Wonderful. I can anticipate all positive. Once again. I can anticipate all positive. Abhishek.
I can anticipate all positive.
Wonderful. If I say मुझे सब गड़बड़ लग रहा है. सचिन. I can anticipate all negative. Sachin, speak up. I can anticipate all negative. All negative. Once again. I can anticipate. Once again. All negative, right? I can anticipate all negative. Okay. मुझे डर था. I was afraid. Come on, मुझे डर था. I was afraid. Once again. I was afraid. मेरी छठी इंद्री यानी सिक्स सेंस ये कहता है. हाँ, I have an intuition. I had a gut feeling. Right? I have an intuition or I have a gut feeling. ईश्वर आपको लंबी उम्र दे. निकिता, ईश्वर आपको. Wonderful. May God impart you a long life.
May God impart you a long life.
May God impart you a long life. May God impart you a long life. May God impart you a long life.
May God impart you a long.
A long life.
May God impart you
Part you. Impart you, not part you. May God impart you a long life. Prashant?
May God impart you a long life.
May God impart you a long life.
May God impart you a long life. Wait, calf. May God impart you a long life.
May God impart you a long life.
Very good. May God impart you a long life. Okay. अगर सब कुछ वैसा ही रहा जैसा सोचा है, साधना नहीं की आपने. नेक्स्ट साधना. संगति का असर होता है ना. वंडरफुल. एवरीथिंग happens as expected. Once again, if everything happens as expected. तुम्हारे साथ यही होना चाहिए. हाँ, तुम्हारे साथ यही होना चाहिए. Serves you right. Come on, once again. Serves you right. Serves you right. Positive में. Serves you right. Serves you right. You deserve this. You deserve this. Negative. Serves you right. You deserve this. Come on, you deserve this. Right, that's it. Good. Everybody did it well. बस लेकिन